Hey, how's it going? It's Jeremy with PushLeads, and I help small businesses get more leads without struggle or frustration. And what I wanted to do in this little video is show you a really cool tool that I discovered about a month ago, and I've been using it to turn pictures into videos. Yes, it's actually possible now with AI to turn pictures into videos. So what I want to show you an example of what I'm doing here. So here is one of my clients. These guys are Wag Bar, and what they do is they are building franchises that it's a dog park bar franchise situation, and it's pretty awesome. But I'm getting them to the top of Google for different searches, and they're also having me do a blog for them. So this is a video here of a dog. If you take a look at this video, the dog basically smiles and he kind of winks his eyes, and that's it. So it's a short 5-second video, but look at that dog. Look how cute that dog looks. And this entire video is completely all AI. It's kind of amazing. And we basically took this picture here of a French Bulldog. Let me open the picture. And so here's the original picture. And this picture, from this picture, was turned into a video. And here's the video one more time. I'll actually put them side by side, and you can take a look here. So let me hit play, and you can look here at just the picture and the final video. Looks pretty realistic. So if you're interested in doing this, it's a tool called KlingAI. Now, there are other tools out there. If you've heard of Sora, it's sort of OpenAI's tool, and it's an option there, but it's really expensive, and it's kind of hit or miss. And there's another tool called Runway, which also does the same thing. I haven't used Sora because it's like $200 a month. I did go to Runway, and I did do some experiments, but with Runway, I haven't really seen something working amazing. So here is an example of a stairway with Runway, and you can see walking up the stairs that Runway is making up stairs that pop. Like, that's not real, right? So whenever anyone sees a video up to that point, it looks realistic, but it's not normal for stairs to kind of assemble while walking up them. The other thing is the beginning of this video has a person right there. You can't really tell, but they're frozen. They're not even moving. It's like almost like time is frozen there, and that person is frozen in time, which it's not real. So I decided not to go with Runway, and I decided to go with this tool called Kling. And let me show you a couple examples here. I've been testing this tool really for the last month or so, and really seeing amazing results. So here's a picture, and here's the original picture right here. And this picture was turned into a video of my honey and I. Look at that. Pretty amazing. And we're both smiling and looking at the camera. Here's actually a video of a kitchen walkthrough. And this is the original picture right here. And this picture was turned into a walkthrough video of walking into this kitchen. Here's also another video of like a kitchen, and you're essentially looking at different angles of a kitchen renovation. Here's another one where you're essentially walking right into a kitchen renovation. So look how real that looks. I mean, it looks like you just took the camera and walked into that. So it's hit or miss. There are some things that don't work super well. Like in this one, I was like, hey, walk up into this building, and the building looks like script, like some kind of random script that's on English, and also that person looks pretty fake. So I was able to fix that. Here's another take on the building, and the letters also look very weird. And then what is going on with this car here? This car can't seem to drive, or also the tire can't seem to stay attached. So I was able to get finally a really good final version of this by giving it a prompt and say static building with clouds moving in the background. And now it actually looks realistic. And you can see, look at the clouds moving right there on the car. And you can also see the tree blowing. Now the bushes would be blowing a little bit too realistically, but fine enough for a short video. And then here's one I made of a dog essentially walking up to the camera. That looks pretty realistic. This is one I just did. Here's one I did of clouds. Here's the final one I did of the clouds, where You can see the essentially it's like a beautiful mountain majesty of going over the mountains and looking at clouds. I mean, this looks so realistic. So, and then here's the bulldog I just made, and it takes whatever the image size. So this is a square image. So if you wanted to start with if you wanted a wider angle shot, you could essentially make this into like a 16:9, type situation. And that would make it like a widescreen type of video. But it just made a square. And notice here in the background, this person is even moving in the background. So pretty realistic. So I'm really considering going all in with this one tool, KlingAI. It is a Chinese company, but hey, I don't really care, honestly, where it's coming from. I just care that it looks real. So if you are looking to do things like this with your social media, with your blogging, I highly recommend this tool. And with SEO, when you have videos that move and people are looking at video and there's engaging content, then that really realistically is part of like making SEO. Google really likes when people stay long on websites, and little videos like this, even if it's 5 seconds long, really make huge difference. So I highly recommend you check out this tool, KlingAI, and I think it's like $8 or $10 to try it for the first month. There is a free sort of way to try it, but you do have to upgrade for it to actually work. So I ended up spending like $10 to test it out, or $8 for 30 days. So I'm considering now doing like $300 a year for about 80 videos a month or so, 85-second videos. So anyway, highly recommended, and check it out. Check out KlingAI if this is something that you want to do for your business. All right. Thanks.